Heat capacity drop in winter. Troublesome installation and maintenance. Nighttime noise disturbance. Potential safety hazards. Those are common problems. For European households dictating cooling and hot water needs. No more worries. TCL Tri-Thermal Ultra AI Heat Pump solves all these issues in one go, boasting 5 core strengths. Top-tier energy efficiency, ultra-low noise, comprehensive safety protection, AI smart energy saving, easy installation and servicing. This all-in-one unit delivers cooling, space heating, domestic hot water. It saves installation space and running costs, setting a new benchmark for residential HVAC and hot water systems. Awarded with IF and Red Dot Design Awards. Its appearance perfectly fits European architectural styles. Equipped with vertical wide-spacing waterfall grille for anti-snow accumulation and high air volume, the ABS casing features excellent deformation resistance and long service life. Monoblock design eliminates refrigerant piping. Only water pipe connection is required for installation. Electrical box is accessible by removing the right side panel, with all wires routed through rear cable holes. Flip-style electrical compartment enables full access to all water-side components for convenient servicing. One-click parameter copy via USB supports rapid batch commissioning for identical housing projects. Precaution: fully enclosed electric compartment prevents refrigerant and insects from contacting electrical components. Real-time monitoring. R290 intelligent detection system delivers millisecond-level abnormal alert. Medium isolation. Refrigerant gas separator stops R290 from entering indoor water circuit. Emergency dilution. Negative pressure ventilation duct actively dilutes leaked refrigerant to keep concentration well below flammability limit. The whole unit undergoes systematic helium leak test plus hydraulic leak test. Fitted with a 700mm bionic large diameter fan blade. Rotating speed cuts by 39% at identical airflow and wind noise drops by 3 dB. Matched spiral diversion grill optimizes airflow direction for further noise reduction. The compressor is wrapped with acoustic enclosure, paired with double-layer bass damping, flexible pipelines to block vibration transmission. Minimum sound pressure reaches 28 dB at 3 meters. Compressor displacement increases by 12%. Fin heat exchanger area rises by 39%. To guarantee stable heating performance without capacity loss at -10 degrees Celsius. All models achieve a +++ energy rating. Maximum water temperature with 80 degrees Celsius can fit most European application scenarios. AI energy-saving algorithm auto-adjusts water temperature based on ambient temperature. Comfort demand, achieving over 15% measured comprehensive energy saving. The 7-inch HD touchscreen features guided quick commissioning and one-touch AI energy-saving setup. It supports 3-zone control or 2-zone plus swimming pool control. Visualized operating data facilitates fast after-sales troubleshooting. Via the IoT platform, users can remotely monitor unit status, diagnose faults online to cut after-sales expenses. It supports OTA remote upgrade and offline USB upgrade for effortless firmware update. Up to 8 units can be cascaded and connected to BMS Central Control System, compatible with photovoltaic systems to build whole-house clean energy solutions, equipped with SG-ready function. The unit intelligently operates in response to peak and off-peak electricity tariffs, supports power-limited operation to flexibly match local grid requirements. TCL Tri-Thermal Ultra AI Heat Pump brings efficient, secure, and sustainable comfort to families worldwide.